Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Going Guitar. Very guitar friendly song here from Ben Barnes. First time on Going Guitar. Song is called Nevermind. Alright, so maybe you notice it's very dark sounding, and that is because we have two setups here. First and foremost, it's a drop C tuning. That means you need to match your third fret A string with the open E string. So you need to lower the open E string so it's sounding exactly the same as the third fret A. That's the first setup. The next setup is to place a capo on the first fret. And with that, we can have the easiest scenario possible to handle Ben Barnes' Nevermind. So you have to watch a tutorial perhaps of how to match up the drop C tuning. And yeah, when you have done that, then you're welcome to this tutorial and learn to play Nevermind. Anyway, let's go into this song here. And we have 5 different chords to handle, right? So we're gonna start with those, and we're gonna learn to play first the E minor, and it will look like this. And we're gonna play on the bass strings here pretty much only. So you're gonna play 4th on E. And I will still call that the E string, the bass string up here, so we're not getting confused. It's the 4th fret E, then 2nd A, and 2nd D. And these are the 3 strings you're gonna play and strum on, kind of chewing like this. Right, next chord is the D, and you simply hold the 2nd fret E string and then play also the open A and open D. And then you have the C, and you can actually hold the chord C in the same way as you play it always. And since we have the C drop C tuning, that E string now is the C note, so it fits perfectly well. So what you're gonna play here is the open E string, then 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and you can go even all the way down to the open E string. But I wouldn't play all the way down. It sounds a little different if you just play on the bass strings for all the other chords and then go all the way down to C, but it is possible because that is the chord. All right, just want to mention that. Then we have the G. Okay, so it looks exactly as the E minor. You have it just in different place here on the fretboard. You're gonna play 7th fret E string, 5th A, and 5th D. And then finally we have the A minor. And that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. All right, so let's start with this first verse. And yeah, we have a strumming pattern that is about 8 downs in total, but we're gonna highlight the 4th down and the 7th down. So we're gonna play like this. Okay, so you're gonna give an extra kick on the 4th down and 7th down. So all other downs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So try to separate the downs between the 4th and 7th, and all other downs you have just pretty much play with on the E string or so, but these 4th and 7th, you get a little bit aggressive on those downs. All right, so that is a certain feeling we want, rhythm and the strumming. So let's go into the verse, and we have E minor 1 string around, D1 and C2. That corporation of E minor 1, D1, C2, we're gonna play for 4 rounds. A couple of rounds goes like this. Again. Okay, then comes the pre-chorus. It's very simple in the lyrics. Imagine that is how I think all the memories, I think he sings there. Anyway, that's the pre-chorus. It's just 1 down on the A minor and a big pause. And that pause leads up to the chorus. And the chorus starts in the lyrics, I can dream. I believe that's of these things. And now you're gonna play two parts of this chord progression. The first half will be to play E minor 1, D1, C1, and G1. Okay, that's the first half. And the second half is to play exactly in the same way as one verse. E minor 1, D1, and C2. So all that is one big chord progression round. You're gonna play for 2 rounds. And in the second last round, the last C there, instead of playing 2 string rounds on that C, you just end with 1 down and a big pause. So one round will be like this. What I played just now was obviously the first round, since the second round is 1 down only on the last C. All right, that is the chorus. Then you have the second round of everything. The second verse played the exact same way as the first one, and the same goes with the second pre-chorus and even the second chorus. No changes there. And after the second chorus comes a bridge part. We're now at 2 minutes and 31 seconds into the song. So you're gonna continue the strumming. Now you're gonna play D1. So and then E minor 1, and then C2. Repeat that. And on the C, you're gonna play just 1 down and a big pause. And that is the bridge part. After that comes the last chorus, and you're gonna play in the same way as you play the previous choruses for 2 rounds. And after that, the outro will be 1 down on E minor, 1 down on D, and guess what the last chord is? 1 down on, yeah, you guessed right, the C. And that is how it ends. Ben Barnes' Nevermind, great song. Obviously, guitar friendly. You just have to tweak a little bit with the tuning and put a cape on there, and you're set for this song. 5 chords, 1 string pattern, and that's it. So give it a try. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, feel free to support me on guitar. And matter of fact, I'm forcing you to subscribe to this channel. That's why I wish. So anyway, hope to see you soon, and play tuned.